Hello, this is Andrew Freilich with Macco Financial Group. In today's video, I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to add external accounts to your Raymond James login. For this video, I'm going to assume that you've already created that login and have been in there before. But as a reminder, to do so, you can always go to maccofinancial.com and click on Client Access in the upper right-hand corner. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Raymond James accounts listed here. Additionally, if we want to add external accounts, so let's say a 401k or 403b, we can do so over here at this plus sign with the add/edit external account. Once in there, you'll probably be prompted for some disclosure and some terms and agreement information. Once through there, you'll get to this screen. From here, we have two options as to how we add an account. We can search, or there's some popular institutions listed. First, I'm going to start with a popular institution. Let's say you work at a large company and you know Fidelity Investments, that's who manages my 401k. So we're going to select that and hit next. And from here, we'll be prompted for our username and password. So to do this, you will need an online login with your 401k. But if you do have that information, we can enter it here. And then hit next. When we do that, it'll take us off to the login for Fidelity. And from there, it'll pull in the information from your account. What this allows us to do is see the underlying investments in your 401k as well as the account balance. We do not have the username or password data, and we can't make any changes to that account. It's simply a view only. Additionally, if we wanted to add, let's say, a bank account, we could go back to this search feature and type in a local bank. From there, we could go to online banking, and we could select that and add a username and password in the same way. Once we've completed that process, those accounts will show up right next to your Raymond James accounts, allowing us to track those balances, which is very helpful from an investment management and financial planning basis. And it gives you a one-stop shop to see all of your assets in one place. If you have any questions, please reach out. Number is 920-617-6830, or you can send me an email, andrew@maccofinancial.com. Thanks.